Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create an account in Salesforce Lightning. First, log into your Salesforce Lightning environment. Once logged in, locate and click on the Accounts tab in the navigation bar. This will take you to the Accounts Overview page. From there, you'll see a new button, usually in the top right corner. Click this button to start the process of creating a new account record. Now, you'll be presented with a form to input the account's details. Make sure to fill in all the required fields, which are typically marked with an asterisk. Start by entering the account name and selecting the appropriate account type. Then, proceed to add important information such as the billing and shipping addresses, phone numbers, and any relevant contact details for the account. Accuracy here is key for good data management. After you've entered all the necessary information, take a moment to review everything for accuracy. Double-check names, addresses, and contact details to avoid errors. Once you're satisfied, click the Save button to officially create the new account record in Salesforce Lightning. You can also add any optional custom fields or related lists to further enrich the account's profile, tailoring it to your specific business needs. Congratulations! Your new account is now live in Salesforce Lightning. You can immediately view the account record and begin linking related items such as contacts, opportunities, and cases to build a comprehensive customer profile. This integration helps streamline your sales and service processes. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.